Hello guys, welcome back to this series on C++ language. In this video, we will learn about C++ Boolean. So, let's start. Very often in programming, you will need a data type that only have one of two values, like for example, yes or no, on or off, true or false. For this, C++ has a bool data type which can take the value true, 1, or false, 0. A Boolean variable is declared with the bool keyword and can only take the values true or false. Now, let's do an example together to understand better this new type. In this example, let's take a variable with type bool, and the name of this variable, for example, we can choose is coding easy, for example. And here we will say true. So the value of this variable is true. Now, bool, for example, is coding fun. Let's say it false, for example. It's not true. It's very funny to do coding. So now we want to see what we have inside this variable. We give the value true for this variable and false for the second. Now let's do cout. And L, and let's see also the variable inside the second variable, fun. Now let's execute together and see the result of this code. As you can see from this result, you can read that a true value return 1 and false value return 0. This is something very special for the bool data type. I hope you understand this data type. Now let's try to use the Boolean expression. You will see what we mean by that. A Boolean expression returns a Boolean value that is 1 or 0. For example, let's take another example. We have here, we will now work with integer variable. For example, is equal to 10 and int y is equal to 5, for example. Now we will use some Boolean expression, not Boolean variable. Here, for example, let's write an expression x is bigger than y. And let's try this example. We will see the result is 1. So the output of this expression, cout x is bigger than y, it's 1. That means this expression is true. And this is true. Why? Because x is 10 and y is 5. So we can use Boolean variable or Boolean expression with integer variable, for example, or another type. Here, let's try another expression. For example, here. We have the result is 0. Why? Because this expression is false. It's not true because x is bigger than y. Now let's try another type of expression. For example, here we have x is equal to 10. So the result must be 1 because it's true. X is equal to 10. As you can see here, the result is 10. So I hope you understand the Boolean type and the Boolean expression. We will use this type in the future exercise. It's very important in programming. If you have any question, please leave me a comment and do not forget to subscribe to our channel to be notified for next video. Thank you so much.